Hey there, in this video here I'm going to show you how you can tell Facebook what to post in this metadata area, your image and also your meta description here. A lot of times when we post stuff we don't think too much about how it's going to display until after the fact when we really don't love how it displays. So let me just show you a couple of tools and a couple ways to work through this. So this is the actual post right there. I'm just going to copy that URL. This is the post that's right here. Let's just say we want this to say something different and have a different image. What's going on here is that in this event on this website, Facebook is just trying to guess what to put there because we are not explicitly defining what are called open graph tags. So let me show you how to do that. This tool right here is the Facebook sharing debugger. If I put that URL in there and I hit debug, this is going to show me exactly what Facebook sees. You'll see right here the OG image property should be explicitly provided, and it is not. And what that means is the open graph image is not being provided. Therefore, it's just pulling in this random image that it feels like is most appropriate. And of course, it's probably not exactly what you want it to be. So let me show you how you can do that. Over here, I've got the actual event set up. And I've minimized a bunch of this stuff here because it's just not important that we see it all. But what is important is this right here. This box right here will be on your pages, posts, events, as long as we have the Open Graph plugin added. Now, if you're watching this video and you don't see these things, reach out to us at help@graceatwork.com and we will be sure to get that added for you. And that's help@graceatwork. I'm sorry, help@graceat.work, as you see printed right there. So what we're going to do is we're going to add an image and we're going to add a description, and it's easy as that. And then we're going to tell Facebook to rescan it. And you'll notice here it recommends an image of 1200 pixels by 630 pixels. That's a recommended size. It can be larger than that, but it probably should stay really close to this ratio size. So I'm going to upload an image that I have over here all set up for us for this prayer meeting. I'm going to go ahead and save the image. And now in the description, usually what you can do is maybe just grab some of the description here at the top of your actual event page or post. That way it's not guessing. I think it's limited to about 170 characters or so, and that's okay. It will always truncate it. So I'm just going to take these first two sentences and we will paste those in there. And with that in there, we're going to go ahead and hit update. And when we hit update, a couple things are going to happen. One is if everything is working correctly, it should purge what's going on right here. And now what we can do is we can come back here to this debugger, debug again, and see if anything has changed. Now, sometimes it does take a couple of seconds, maybe a few minutes, for this to scrape again. You'll see this scrape right here. So we're going to hit scrape again, see if anything changes. Now it's saying that the image is unavailable. Well, that's not exactly true. Like I said, every once in a while we just have to click it a couple times and boom, there we go. Now we have our image and then we have our text. And now what's really cool is if this is linked anywhere on Facebook, it should update back on Facebook. That doesn't usually happen immediately, but it will eventually happen. So that is just a quick overview of how OG images and descriptions work, otherwise known as Open Graph. And again, if you have any questions for us, you have any needs, reach out to us at help@graceat.work, and we'll be glad to take a look at it for you.